Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in beautiful and challenge problem in engineering economy. And there are 5 problems in this video. Though these problems are not really challenging, but they are representative of the topics on annuity. And I hope that through this video you can master problems involving annuity, whether it falls in ordinary annuity, annuity due, uh, deferred annuity, or perpetuity. So I hope that through this video, your knowledge and skills in math will be enhanced, preparing you to be better engineering students so that you can achieve what you want. So here is the first problem, problem 44A. In order to have a building fund of $100,000 available at the end of 10 years, a church congregation will invest equal sums at the end of each 3 months at 5% compounded quarterly. So find the quarterly investment. So take note that the mode of payment, which is every quarter, matches with the interest, which is 5% compounded quarterly. So the quarterly investment is denoted by A here, and we use the present worth of annuity, which is A over I quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I to the negative n. And the future worth is F equals A over I quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1. We use the future worth because this $100,000 should be available at the end of 10 years. So this is the value at the end of 10 years. So I is 0.05 divided by 4, so it is 0.0125, and n here is 4 times 10 years, so 40. Substituting, 100,000 is A over 0.0125, quantity 1.0125 to the 40 minus 1. So using the calculator, A is 1942.14 dollars. So this is the quarterly uh, deposit. 43B, an insurance policy pays $20,000 at the death of a man and is left invested with the insurance company at 3% compounded quarterly. What payment will this provide at the end of each 3 months for the next 15 years for the man's family? So given the present worth, and I is 0.03 divided by 4, so this is 0.0075, and n is 4 times 15, so 60. Present worth of annuity is A over I quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I to the negative n, and you may use you can use this formula. uh, you can check after the answer using the summation key of your calculator if you want, just for checking. So P is 20,000, I is, as I said, 0.03 over 4, so 0.0075, N is 4 times 15, so N is 60. So substitute 20,000 equals A over 0.0075, quantity 1 minus 1.0075 to the negative 60. Using the calculator, A is $415.17. That's the quarterly uh, payment to the family. Problem 43C. In purchasing a house worth $30,000 cash, a man pays $10,000 cash and agrees to make equal payments at the end of each 3 months for 12 years to discharge all principal and interest at 8% compounded quarterly. Find this periodic payment. So the net uh, cash or the net present value of the house would be 30,000 minus the down payment, which is 10,000, so $20,000, and it is equated to A over I, quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I to the negative n. So that's the formula to be used. P is $20,000. A to be found. I is 0.08 divided by 4, so that's 0.02, and n is 4 times 12, so 48. So substitute 20,000 equals A over 0.02, quantity 1 minus 1.02 to the negative 48. Using the calculator, A is equal to $652.04. That's the quarterly uh, payment. Then 43D, what annuity payable monthly for 7 years can be purchased for $6,500 if money is worth 7% compounded monthly. So this is the present worth again. We use that formula there, where I is 0.07 over 12, n is 12 times 7, so 84. Substitute into this formula. So 6,500 equals A over 0.07 over 12, quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus 0.07 over 12, close to the negative 84. So using the calculator, A is equal to $98.10. And finally, this 43E problem, a man promised to pay $2,000 at the beginning of each year. So what payment at the end of each 3 months would be equally satisfactory if money is worth 5% compounded quarterly? Since this 2,000 peso uh, payment is made at the beginning of each year, so let's consider just 1 year, and the present value is 2,000, but the payment is to be made every end of 3 months. So the present worth is 2,000 for 1 year. Then we have equal payment every end of 3 months quarterly. Then I is 0.05 over 4, so 0.0125. And N is M times 1 year, so 4. N is 4. Substitute into this formula, and P is 2,000, so 2,000 equals A over 0.0125, quantity 1 minus 1.0125 to the negative 4. So using the calculator, A is $515.72. So that's it for this video.